Bhergaon Higher Secondary School Pathu Aklamalong Ingdeng Crate Roxy Bhergaon Boroland Martyrs Memorial Women Football Championship Trophy 2024 Aninkan of Harman Kapathu Kapituponalong Karbi Anglong Sports Association Girls Football Team Pen Angdungkiti Kapathu Jialong Kapathu Kelidon Abirtanong Karbi Anglong Arlo Kapathu Anathu Aninke Hangatumaphan Birta Keme Kedamtang Chiti ni Pankora Trokarni, Bhergaon Udalguri BTR along, Bhergaon Athletic Pen, Kasa Girls Football Team Atumangbong, Semi-Final along, Pathu Ponsi, 5-1 Pen, Kasa Girls Football Team Atum, Semi-Final Kapathu along, Chipahay Pon. Nona Keleji, Chiti ni Pankora Narkaparani, Bhergaon Udalguri BTR along, Ingdeng Crate Roxy, Bhergaon Boroland Martyrs Memorial Women Football Championship Trophy 2024 Aninkan Parman. Angdungkiti Kapathu Ponjia Hot, Assam Rifles, Tejpur Lapen, Kasa Girls Football Team at Tumang Bongsi, Angdungkiti, Pathupon.